I'm sorry. How to call your name? Man?
You can say like Maan, like
Maan.
makan,
Maan. Okay,
makaan,
Maan.
Oh, Maan.
Okay. Okay.
Oke,
Maan.
boleh.
Alright.
pertanyaan,
Pertanyaan. Okay, Maan.
like
Maan
that. You can pronounce it
Al-Kardi.
like that.
Maan
Okay.
Al-Kardi. Okay. Shall we start, boys?
Ya, go ahead.
Okay.
Alright then, let's start it. Okay. Alright. You can start the recording now, Bro Haidar.
Good.
Baiklah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Halo semuanya, selamat datang di Voice Interactive Talk Show. Dan ini menjadi talk show pertama kita, dan terima kasih untuk teman-teman yang udah hadir. Oke, talk show ini tuh bukan kelas formal ya, tapi tempat santai untuk kita belajar dan mendengar bahasa Inggris secara alami. Jadi teman-teman ini nggak usah takut salah, jadi santai aja, dan kalau belum siap bicara cukup dengarkan dulu. Karena step paling pertama untuk belajar itu mendengarkan. Oke, itu bagian dari progres belajar teman-teman. Oke, hari di setiap talk show, ya gimana, Ani?
Betul banget nih, karena kan konsepnya itu seperti ngobrol santai aja gitu, kayak podcast yang mungkin kalian biasa denger gitu loh. Dan hari ini tuh tema kita itu ada greetings and small talk. Jadi biar kita tahu tuh gimana sih cara menyapa atau ngobrol ringan gitu di dalam bahasa Inggris.
Okay, that's right. Jadi di setiap talk show kita tuh kita bakal ditemanin sama tamu yang spesial. Jadi hari ini kita punya saudara
Bro
Maan
Maan.
Al-Kardi.
Maan,
Okay. Halo.
dari Surya.
Dari
Surya.
Surya.
Dari
Oke,
Surya.
dari Surya. Dan I just want to say welcome to our Voice Interactive Talk Show. Okay, welcome aboard.
Thank you a lot for having me. Makasih
Okay.
banget. Ikuti aku ke
Yeah.
for give me this chance to join this meeting.
Nice.
Okay, yeah.
Happy to have you.
Nice.
So,
I mean, like all the students here are very super excited to hear your stories, of course. Okay.
Well, sebelum kita mulai nih, kita mau coba dulu nih beberapa sapaan sederhana nih. Semua bisa ikuti ya. Kayak misalnya di dalam bahasa Inggris itu biasanya sapaannya itu kayak hello, hi, good morning gitu. Jadi kalau di sini teman-teman bisa ikuti, mungkin bisa dicoba ya kayak.
Oh ya, kita ada berapa viewers ya yang ikut?
Ya
Let's see.
ada kayaknya berapa ya?
1, 2, 3.
Ada 5. Ada 5.
Iya, kalau mic-nya bisa dibuka kita mungkin mulai at the same time. Cek.
Kita bisa
Boleh
mencoba
di on mic
gitu.
dulu, teman-teman.
Mungkin Ita sama siapa nih? Rahmat.
Dewi juga.
Ya, Dewi.
Halo guys,
Hi, good morning.
Hai.
good afternoon,
Good
Good
evening
afternoon.
atau apa?
What should I
What do
say?
you like?
evening, good evening atau good afternoon?
Di sana jam berapa?
Good
Bisa
evening.
Ini jam good evening. Jam
Iya.
berapa?
ada banyak,
8,
ada
oke.
banyak waktu.
Iya.
Ada banyak waktu.
Iya.
Waktunya beda-beda. Dan di aku ini
Di
jam
sini evening ya.
ya evening, kalau di sini
Iya, di sini
morning. And then
Di sini siang.
di Maan
di sini siang, di Jerman.
siang, ya,
Siang.
afternoon.
Nah, Bang Maan mungkin bisa say good afternoon ke Bang Maan gitu. Kalau kita mah evening gitu.
Ah, sama
Di
aku
sini good
morning.
afternoon, ini benar.
Oh, berarti betul sih, betul. Technically
Iya.
Dewi benar tadi.
Iya, betul tadi.
For brother Maan, bener kan berarti good afternoon.
Iya, betul.
Yeah, that's true.
Jam 2.
Benar.
right,
Di Jerman sekarang good afternoon, di Kanada sekarang selamat pagi, di
Oke.
Indonesia selamat sore, selamat
Malam.
malam.
Ya.
Ada yang sore, ada yang malam.
Ada yang sore, ada yang malam itu.
Bedanya apa? Sore dan malam?
Sore tuh kayak sebelum
Sore
maghrib.
is like sebelum maghrib. So
Yeah.
it's
Sebelum
before.
maghrib. Okay, so it's
Before night,
night,
yeah.
like night.
Ya, night.
Before
Before.
nightfall.
Before night.
nightfall.
Ah,
Before the
Evening.
nightfall,
Okay, the
that's
evening
night.
then.
ya,
Evening.
betul.
Yes.
Okay. Sore is
Maghrib,
evening and
maghrib.
malam is night. Okay.
Okay.
Ya.
Okay, that is right.
Ah.
Right then. BTW kalimat sederhana yang sering dipakai contohnya hello itu artinya halo ya. Jadi good morning artinya selamat pagi, dan apa namanya? Kalau apa namanya bisa kita apa namanya
Ucapin
coba
nih
bareng-bareng
sama-sama gitu.
ya, bareng-bareng apa namanya? Just say hi to ini apa namanya ke Brother Maan ya. Mungkin Mbak Dewi boleh di ini lagi, di on lagi mic-nya. Okay.
Ya.
I'm gonna count to 3, okay? And then we're gonna say hello, good morning, atau good afternoon. Ini.
Oh, semuanya deh bro, semuanya.
Oke,
Ya
oke.
semuanya, oke. Satu,
To
Biarin Hasan
ke
dari
siapa? Ke Brother Maan.
Enggak ke,
Bilang
just
ke-
to the audience ya.
ke audience aja.
Ah.
Memang hello, good morning aja paling aman udah. Oke?
Iya.
Aku
Oke,
juga.
three-
Aku juga.
Everybody.
Everybody. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Good.
Hello.
Good
Hello.
morning.
Halo.
Good
Good
morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Sama good evening. Kaca, boy.
Okay. Alright then, let's continue. Alright, so topic number 1 is gonna be like we're gonna try to like do some greetings and introductions. Dan apa namanya yang pertama itu kita bakal ngebuka
Oh.
dengan topik pertama.
Tunggu bro. Let's
Oke,
give a.
kita
Let's
perkenalan
give
lebih baik.
a. Yeah, let's give
let's do.
our friend
Let's
here
do
some
the
time.
introduction.
Yeah.
Alright then.
We're gonna
Let's
give
get to know him well.
Maan a challenge here untuk introduce himself dengan bahasa Indo.
Yeah.
Aku coba.
Do that?
Coba, silakan bro.
Coba.
Let's try.
Assalamualaikum. Nama di bahasa yang formal atau dan santai?
Terserah bro.
Yang bikin kamu nyaman aja.
Ya, yang nyaman aja bro. Just whatever you feel comfortable with. Yeah.
Oke. Ini santai lebih baik. Namaku Maan. Aku dari Suria. Aku tinggal di Jerman dari 10 tahun.
Mhm.
Okay.
Profesi aku bekerja.
Yeah, you're right.
Betul.
Aku bekerja seperti guru bahasa-bahasa asing, seperti contohnya bahasa Spanyol, bahasa Jepang, bahasa Turki, bahasa Arab. Ada yang lain juga. Tapi ini bahasa-bahasa ini lagi bahasa yang aku ngajar.
Teach, ya.
Okay,
Benar
yeah.
ngajar. Oke.
Yeah.
Aku berapa tahun? Aku 30 tahun.
Umurnya 30.
Umurnya.
tahun.
Umur aku.
Ya, age ya.
Umur aku 30 tahun.
30 tahun. Okay, 30 years.
That's good.
Oh, 30. Yeah.
Yeah, that was good, bro.
Okay, that was good. That was actually good.
Yeah.
I am
Actually,
learning
like-
more than 1 year. I am learning more than 1 year Indonesian actually.
Oh, udah lebih
yeah.
And
setahun.
Indonesian is considered one of the easiest languages in the world actually.
Iya,
You know?
betul.
Yeah, actually, like,
I should
Yeah.
be after 1 year. I should be good. That like wonderful, like like.
It's okay,
I'm
bro.
like, I'm like,
It's
it's only
easy
1
for you.
year and you are already being this good. That is awesome.
Yeah.
I'm like you're a natural, I might say. Okay.
Oh, bisa
Um,
nggak you
Yeah, what is it?
bilang nyapa kita atau say hi ke audience dengan semua language-nya? Like with all the languages that you know. Yeah.
Semua language.
Yeah.
Okay, aku
Well,
harus
That you teach,
aku
bro.
harus mikir banget.
just say hi, bro. Just say hi.
Okay, just say
Just
hi.
tapi
Yeah.
okay. Di bahasa Spanyol, hola. Di bahasa Jerman, halo. Di bahasa tapi ini ada beda. Halo di bahasa Indonesia satu L. Di bahasa Jerman dua
Oh,
L.
2L.
Dua L. Halo.
okay.
Di bahasa Di bahasa Indonesia, halo semuanya. Di bahasa Jepang, konnichiwa, minasan.
Thank you.
Di bahasa Turki, merhabalar. Merhaba, ini seperti marhaba.
Marhaba.
Merhabalar. Di bahasa Arab, marhaban atau assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Di bahasa Kurdi,
Korea.
bahasa ibu aku, bahasa Kurdi, ini bahasa daerahku. Seperti bahasa Sunda, bahasa Jawa.
Oh, ya.
Marhaba juar. Marhaba Juar. Untuk
Marhaba,
kalian
Juar.
Juar.
Oh, Juar
Okay.
kalian.
Ada. Ya.
What about Spanish? Spanish. How
Hola.
about Spanish?
Hola
Hola.
todos.
Okay,
Hola
yeah.
todos.
Hola todos. All right.
What is the difference about konnichiwa and Ohio in Japanese greetings?
Konnichiwa ini in English. Do you want me to explain English?
Up to you. Yeah.
Indonesia boleh, English boleh.
Oke, di Indonesia boleh. Oke, ini bagus.
Oke.
Ini artinya di bahasa Indonesia selamat ini sesuatu antara selamat pagi dan selamat sore, like good day. Konnichiwa.
I
Tapi artinya yang asli like this day. Hari ini. Okay. Contohnya hari ini kamu bagus, kamu tidak bagus. Ini konnichiwa. Tapi yang beda? What's the other word?
Ohio.
Ohio, selamat pagi.
Okay, Ohio
Benar.
gozaimasu.
Konnichiwa itu
Ohio
secara
benar.
generalnya ya.
Iya, general
Konnichiwa
greeting.
general. Ini
Greeting.
general. Ini halo, seperti
General.
halo, general.
Okay.
Ya,
Konnichiwa
ya.
general.
Thank you.
All right.
Nice.
Okay.
Alrighty, thanks, bro.
Okay. That's one for the book, I think.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, should we continue?
Yep.
Yep.
All right then. So yeah, as I mentioned before, so now we're gonna talk about the greetings and also introductions. All right. So sekarang kita mulai dengan topik pertama ya. Yang pertama itu greetings atau sapaan. Ini tuh adalah cara paling sederhana untuk memulai percakapan. Oke. So
We kind of talked about a little bit earlier kan udah berapa kita coba tadi berapa greetings gitu. But maybe we could add a bit more. Kan tadi kita udah introducing dengan good morning, good afternoon, sama good evening. Jadi selamat pagi, selamat siang, sama selamat malam. Like that. So then, what are other ways you guys think we greet di dalam, misalnya di dalam Indo? Mungkin kayak Assalamualaikum kan, kalau itu peace be upon you in English. Very general, kita sering pakai di Indo juga kan. Kalau itu kan artinya in English, the literal translation kan peace be with you gitu.
Upon you.
Upon you, ya peace be upon you, peace be with you, itu juga bisa. Atau kayak
Juga bisa.
juga bisa. Ya, itu kan kalau kita nyapa good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Tapi kan misalnya kita mau small talk, what do you have for us, Roms? How do we start a conversation with someone after we say hello?
Well, I mean, like I think it depends. You know, like don't you think? I mean, bahasa Indonesia, we do have no. I don't think. Kalau bahasa Indonesia kan banyak banget bahasa daerahnya, apalagi like we have like Javanese language, and then we have like Sasak language, we have like Bojo language, which is from Bima.
Yeah.
Terus jadi kalau misalnya itu sama atau mirip konsepnya dengan bahasa Arabic language, and then Kurdi, they have Kurdi, right? Nah, jadi kayak sama gitu maknanya. Jadi banyak banget. If you ask me about how we greet people in Indonesia, in Indonesia in general, we have plenty. You might say that we have hundreds of languages.
Yep.
And I don't know
Like
how
above
to
600,
say.
above 600 indigenous languages.
Yes,
Yeah.
you name it. We have like more than hundreds of languages. That's how rich we are. Okay. All right then. Yeah.
Let's see here.
Let's see here.
Greetings and intro. Jadi kan kalau kita after we say hello kan seringnya ada small talk gitu kan. Maybe we can try this small talk with Brother Maan gitu. Gimana kabarnya Brother Maan?
Alhamdulillah baik. Baik aja.
Baik-baik aja.
Asik.
Baik-baik aja, betul. I'm fine, I'm good gitu kan.
Tapi aku mikir tuh ini selamat sore, selamat datang ini tidak natural. Ini tidak yang
Nggak
ini
nyaman.
apa, not natural,
Not natural, iya.
Ini karena ada assalamualaikum ini halo, selalu semuanya bilang assalamualaikum.
Iya, iya.
Aku tidak pernah
Dengar.
dengar tuh seorang bilang selamat sore.
Iya kan? Itu benar-benar formal. Itu seringnya
Ini
dipakai
benar formal.
kayak
Benar.
iya kalau misalnya ada conference atau apa gitu baru dipakai atau
If
in
you're
a
Aku
meeting
kenal
with
itu.
someone
Aku kenal itu
important.
dari bahasa Arab juga. Bahasa Arab juga. Ini selamat sore, ini cringe.
cringe ya.
Ini cringe itu di bahasa Arab. Kalau aku bilang ke ayahku selamat pagi ayah. Selamat pagi ini cringe kan? Ini apa?
Betul
Agak
banget.
aneh gitu ya. Mm-mm.
It's a bit weird. Agak aneh memang.
It's weird, yes, it's weird. Like
Ya.
it's not like
But I
it's not the greeting culture. It's not the greeting culture. It's like you don't say thank you. You don't say sorry. You know, it's cringe. All of this is cringe. You don't
Yeah,
say. You
yeah.
only like do something. You give action. You don't give words. You know.
Betul
Iya,
banget.
iya, iya.
Sebenarnya kan kalau kita nyapa temen kalau langsung aja kayak Rom di sini. Oi.
Yeah.
Oi, yo.
So the,
Ya,
Yo, bro di mana?
makin kenal makin rude
there's-
aja.
Iya kan?
absolutely no formal way
Aha.
Yeah.
for you to greet someone in Indonesia, in bahasa Indonesia, because like
Yeah.
it shows that we are a close friend.
Kita udah deket.
If we greet someone or if you greet your best friend, I mean like or your brother with some in a formal way, it doesn't really show your bond with them. You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Put
because like
borders. Like you put borders. If you
Iya.
yes,
You
of
can
course,
say
that's the
that
one.
ke orang-orang yang kayak misalnya your boss or someone that you just meet, you know, then you can say like hi, selamat pagi or selamat sore or something, you know. But like as Kak Romi and Kak Haidar said, it just agak aneh aja gitu kalau diucapkan ke orang yang udah lama kita kenal.
Yeah. Like how do you greet your friends, man?
Yeah.
Normally.
like hi if German people I say hi, hello, and it's used, but like this way of saying like selamat pagi, selamat sore,
Never.
it's used, but like if I go for example to a formal place like or writing a formal email, I would write like guten tag, which is selamat sore, selamat
sore.
siang, selamat
Selamat
siang,
siang in Germany.
guten tag. Tapi kalau tidak ada orang Jerman, ada sesuatu yang informal, ini makan, selamat makan.
Ah.
Orang Jerman ya pakai kalimat ini untuk halo. They
Oh,
use like the
really?
term of have a good meal. It's
in
like
a-
informal way of saying hello, you know.
Oh yeah.
Interesting.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So it's somehow I don't know, somehow developed to this way to be hello. I don't know why.
Tapi Indo agak similar sih, agak dikit-dikit kayak gitu. Soalnya kan kalau in English kalau kita misalnya habis bilang halo, greetings atau kalau nyapa teman kita, habis itu kan next thing we say itu gimana kabarnya or how's your day or how are you gitu kan. How are you itu kayak gimana kabarnya. How was your day itu gimana harinya gitu kan. Tapi kadang-kadang kita juga jarang pakai itu, lebih kayak oh udah makan belum gitu. To
Apa
see
kabar?
Iya.
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Atau kalau if you wanna see how well our friend is doing, we ask them kayak udah makan belum gitu.
Apa kabar?
Udah makan belum tuh kayak have you eaten? Apa kabar itu ya? Apa kabar sak WhatsApp? Habis itu kalau
Apa kabar?
udah makan itu kayak have you eaten yet gitu. Udah makan belum? And that's something we ask often ke misalnya kalau we see our friend gitu, kita sering nanya, oh, have you eaten yet? Ikut dong gitu or something like that. Ikut means
Exactly.
join us to eat or something like that or whatnot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Tapi
It shows
kalau
like with the time it developed, like it was a full sentence, like the Japanese word this day.
iya
These
betul.
days is hello. If you tell someone this day, that means hello.
Yeah.
But this is the development of how are you this day.
Mhm.
and they took only the last part, to say hello, konnichiwa. So
Konnichiwa.
and the same happened to German people when they say Mahlzeit.
Yeah.
So it's like meal time or have a good meal.
Betul
To say
betul.
maybe the full sentence is missing now.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
exactly. But just for kind of our purposes tadi, mungkin kita balik lagi ke saat dasar. How do we say
Okay.
how are you? Kita udah bahas tadi. Hi, nice to meet you. Oh, yang mula mungkin my name ya. How to say your name? Kalau English kan, what's your name? Kalau in Indonesia, siapa namamu? Or I don't know if there's a more
Nama
formal way.
kamu
Tapi
siapa?
kenapa?
Nama kamu siapa? Iya betul.
Ya.
Tapi kenapa siapa? Ini nama aku bukan orang.
Iya kan?
Kenapa siapa? Apa namamu? Ini terbagus. Aku tidak mengerti kenapa orang Indonesia selalu bilang siapa namamu.
Nama kamu. Iya, iya, iya.
Yeah.
I think siapa
Okay,
namamu tuh lebih
that's-
formal kan? Rom?
Siapa nama? Yeah, I mean, as I mentioned before, right? Indonesian people, we don't really use a formal way when we talk to people, even though we talk to someone strangers. Okay, for example, for me, when I talk to Bro Haidar here, I've known him for like 3 years now, like 2 years. I'm sorry.
Enggak bro,
at least
1
we
year.
know-
1
2
tahun.
years, remember? Pas
Eh.
ini pas ini nggak ngikut
Oh my God.
Inspire.
Inspire kan 2024,
Okay.
ini baru 25.
Yesterday, you
September,
just know
bro.
him yesterday.
Oh
Okay.
yeah. Just go along with it. Why you argue, bro?
I don't
No
know.
place to
Okay.
argue.
Ya, lanjut.
Sorry, guys. It's a little bit misunderstanding. All right, so yeah, I mean like we've known each other for a year. Okay,
1
so
tahun.
we
Mhm.
have, so we are on the terms to say or to avoid. We don't have to say that or greet some like each other in a formal way. For example, I call Bro Haidar when I want to know like how's life, for example. I just say lu gimana kabar gitu.
Mhm.
Lu gimana kabar or apa namanya
Lu
lagi
gue
ngapain.
ini, lu gue.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like more like a slangs, but it's actually language from Jakarta because
bahasa
people
gaul.
in Jakarta,
Bahasa
yeah,
gaul.
Yeah,
bahasa gaul
bahasa
slangs,
gaul.
slangs,
So
right?
smart.
So we don't use siapa nama kamu anymore.
Atau-
Even if you talk to stranger,
Iya betul.
we just say or greet that someone with a sentence boleh tahu namamu nggak? Boleh tahu namamu. Which boleh means we ask permission
Mhm.
to know their names. Okay?
Iya,
We
betul.
don't have to use like siapa nama kamu. That's too formal. But in this case, of course, we need to like show what is the most formal way to greet someone.
Iya.
But yeah, we rarely use it actually.
Mhm.
If you yeah.
Kalau
That's
di
why.
in English kan juga ada berapa yang kayak kalau kita mau nyapa orang tuh there's a couple slangs, especially kalau
Yes.
kamu di Amerika atau di Kanada, there's a lot of slangs yang kita sering pakai. Misalnya kalau aku ya aku kan tinggal di Kanada nih, I live in Canada. I don't say hi atau hello anymore. Aku kayak langsung yo atau how are you bro gitu kan. Atau kalau mau bilang gimana kabarnya daripada I say how are you, which is kind of like more formal. Aku langsung kayak how's life gitu kan, how's life, gimana hidupmu gitu, how's life, atau what you do, what you up,
Sup?
what's up. Sup is not used.
Stop.
It's not used as
From what's
much.
up, right?
Yeah,
What's up, man?
yeah, but it's not used as much anymore. Kayak kalau at least in my generasi,
Okay.
lebih
So
kayak
it looks like we watch these movies, like
Yeah.
we watch these movies about the US, but they are actually in the still in the past.
yeah,
right?
they're in the past
We
now.
just now know that, but it's in the past now. They don't use it
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah, they're more. It's more like what's up. It's a bit longer, but like what's up to kayak same thing. Kayak gimana kabarnya. So like what's up, how's life, what are you doing, bro? Gitu kan? Atau lagi ngapain gitu kan? That's what that means. Yeah, like that's different ways to say how are you gitu kan? Kalau yang di sini tuh yang di slide ini kan is very formal. How are you? I'm fine. I'm good gitu. It's lebih ke formal and lebih introduction, and it's good to start dari sini. Tapi kalau langsung slang kan langsung kayak yo, bro,
Udah beda style.
Iya.
Udah beda?
Udah
Udah beda
gaulnya
style.
udah slangnya udah beda. What's up?
Yeah.
How's life gitu. What you doing? What's up gitu. Itu juga very valid ways to nyapa orang gitu.
I will divide language in three actually. I will divide it in like slang, then
Slang.
casual, then formal.
Jadi
Okay.
jadi 3
Slang,
section.
casual, and formal. Okay.
Jadi 3 section gitu. Slang,
Like
casual,
why?
sama formal.
Casual and formal. Like for example, the formal way when you write email, when you go to like office of people, I wouldn't say you see person for first time because language like Indonesian, Arabic, they don't really use this formal one with foreign people. Even they pertama kali they see them, So what they do is like we have this formal one. You use it when you write something or read book, and then we have this casual way. This don't have to be slang. This may be like formal official word, but we use it in a casual way, Like this is the normal way we use it. And then we have the slang. And the slang, what you mean like with when you yo, sub, how you feel, like that, this is then the slang one. So
This
if
is
you use
slang
the
one,
slang one, you may like be disrespectful to the person.
Ya,
Yeah.
betul.
Exactly, and you use that only with people like in your age or your friends, And then you have the casual way. You can use it with people, like no
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, yeah.
You can speak casually with the people. This is not disrespectful,
Betul.
Yes,
Ya.
yes.
Setuju
That
sih.
is true,
Jadi
that is true.
ada 3 itu kan. Formal tuh seringnya dipakai language formal sepertinya dipakai di office gitu atau lewat email. Casual tuh kayak lebih ngobrol-ngobrolan gitu kita.
Lebih ke ngobrol-ngobrol ya.
Santai.
Teman
Iya,
misalnya teman yang
santai.
kita
Santai.
santai. I mean, occasionnya tuh pas kita ini ngobrol dengan kawan kerja,
Iya.
dengan orang yang kita temui di kereta api atau di stasiun, itu formal. Apa itu
Casual.
Itu casual. Nah, kalau misalnya yang slang
Slang.
tadi, itu kalau
My
misalnya
best friend. Ya, my best
ya
friend.
best
we're
friend,
friends, ya.
brother. Terus pokoknya sama-sama udah strong bond, jadi udah CS-an istilahnya tuh kan, kalau bahasa gaulnya udah CS-an sama udah punya mutual respect biasanya.
Iya,
Oke.
betul.
Itu kalau untuk yang slang. Oke. So next up.
Contoh untuk slang, cama-cama, ini slang, benar?
Ya.
Cama-cama.
Kamu bisa bilang
Cama-cama.
cama-cama ke ayah kamu?
Sama-sama.
Makasih. Ini sama-sama, tapi slang.
Oh,
sama-sama.
oh my god.
Aku belum pernah dengar.
I understand.
No, that's only
Yeah, I
That's
understand what
only-
you mean.
it's a cute language for your special people. I mean, like
I learn with Indonesian
Yeah.
people. I don't learn like from book. I learn with people. Like people
Yeah,
tell me
betul,
these
betul.
things,
okay.
This is normal. Like for example, you don't say for example hati-hati. They say ti-ati. Benar? Ti-ati.
Oh, yeah,
Ti-ati.
yeah.
And this is a slang one. Like if
Yeah,
you don't write to your father
yeah,
ti-ati ya, ti-ati ya, like it's like
Iya,
what
betul.
you speak with with little child or you say ti-ati.
Betul,
This is
betul.
a slang one.
Iya.
Benar.
But maybe
You see
for
that with your best friend.
yeah, betul. I guess for like just our purposes aside, and then mungkin kalau ada partisipan yang mau coba nyapa ke brother Maan itu, feel free.
Yeah.
Misalnya kalau ada volunteer mau coba say hi, how are you gitu, yang belum pernah. Tadi Dewi kayaknya mau.
Halo. Halo, hai.
Ya.
Di bahasa Indonesia.
Ita
benar?
mungkin.
Ah.
Ita siapa nih yang
Here.
Siapa? Ita, you got something you wanna say?
Just introduce yourself kalau boleh, kalau mau mencoba.
Yeah, boleh introduce yourself first and then
In English if
shall
you want. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Ita Usmi Oktaviani. You guys can call me Ita. I'm actually from Lombok Timur, but currently I live in Mataram because as I graduated, I started my career as a teacher at high school. So now I'm a teacher.
Nice.
okay, that's
Okay.
Nice to meet you.